Nou, like jy, soos 'n regte porrose. En alles in een stop langs Brand Shop. Splendidio.
Wow, everything looks so...
Maroon?
Yes, I don't know if I'm going to be able to live up to all this.
Dis okay, Josh. Jy het nog baie om te leer. Maar dit maak nie saak hoe lank, vinnig, kort, slim of sterk jy is. Wat saak maak, is dat jou bloed maroon is. Hoe hou jy van jou nuwe koshuiskamer?
Very cool.
Jy kan dit maar waardeer. Daai kamers is net vir hierdie jaar oopgedoen. Kom ek wys jou die skoolgronde.
Yes, sir.
Hey buddy, ons is broers. Ons respekteer ons volwassenes en daarom staan ons op as ons hulle groet. Dis deel van ons waardes, gentlemanship, maar onder mekaar, appels mekaar.
So, do I have to stand up when a matric walks in?
Ja, soos jy eerste week hier geleer het, ons respekteer ook ons seniors. En daarom word jy nie op die matriekgronde toegelaat nie.
Who is that, sir?
Hier.
I'm so sorry, sir.
It's okay, al net awesome. Sit. Die doel van die mentorskapprogram in Portland is om elke graad 8 'n ouer broer in die skool te gee. Ons gaan saam die ding doen en ek gaan jou help om aan te pas. Dis heeltemal normaal om oorweldig te voel. Maar sodra jy weet waar alles is en hoe dinge hier rond werk, so jy beter voel. As jy na 6 maande steeds angstig voel of voel jy kort 'n ander tipe ondersteuning, wanneer jy uit 'n span gedrop is, dinge gaan taaf by jou huis, die liefde werk so lekker uit nie, of jy kort net raad, kan jy die leerder ondersteuningskantoor besoek. Hulle help selfs met vakkeuses en studietegnieke.
Thanks, sir. Senior,
As hy, kom aan hierdie kant toe. Het jy die goue hek gesien?
the Golden Gate?
Ja man, die goue hek. Op jou laaste dag van skool stap jy deur daardie hek en die rektor sluit dit agter jou. Dis ook die matriek se laaste, dis ook hier graad 11, die eerste dag op die matriekronde.
That's City, right?
Yes, Zedag is die laaste dag van matriek.
And 80 is when we get our tires.
Presies, maar daar is 'n leeftyd tussen A-dag en Z-dag. Van baadjies en dasse gepraat, tot wat altyd vas, dis deel van die...
Old school values.
Yes, en baadjie trots. Jy gaan sien, ons draai hierdie baadjies in 40 grade Celsius hitte, by Prestige Akademiek Interskole.
Or
Niks, dit word nie afgedoen nie, dis net wie ons is en wat ons doen. Respek vir onsself, respek vir mekaar, respek vir die omgewing.
right, got it.
Ons is gentlemen. Kan jy nou die Yola Bola gaan?
Yes, it goes,
Hierdie is Rosenbos, ons wêreldklas snoepie en kafeteria waar jy kan huiswerk doen, ontspan, jouself verlaai of die ouer leerskamer bespreek vir groepstake.
Excuse me, sir. Senor, but that monument we just passed.
Goeie plek om te begin. Kom sit. Omdat die skool 159 jaar oud is daar baie gevalle polroosters wat ons jaarliks verneem. Polroosters wat in die wêreldoorlog, grensoorlog, boereoorlog en selfs vryheidsstryd in ons eie land gesterf het.
And how do we honor them?
Met herinneringsdag in November. Kyk daar, wys jou.
In Flanders Fields by John McCree.
So, boys who were here more than 100 years ago are still represented here.
Ja, polroos is meer as 'n plek waar jy 5 jaar leer. Jy word deel van die skool en die skool word deel van jou.
With the clip.
Facebook, Instagram.
Really?
Ja, polroos, dit is Instagram en Facebook daai wat jy kan volg. Die meeste van die videografie en redigering word deur ons eie PRG Productions gedoen.
Hey Simon.
Hey Luca. Josh, this is Luca and Jan.
A mountain biking team too?
Yes, Polroos competes in downhill, enduro, road racing, individual time trial, X-year and X-year marathon. We competed in the SA Schools League last year and finished second, making us the best school cycling team in the country. Can you ride?
No, sorry. I play cricket and tennis.
Well then, come support us when we ride. It's great fun to watch.
Ja, in polroos ondersteun ons broers. En ons is nie bang vir nuwe dinge probeer nie. Soos skaak. Vertel 'n bietjie meer.
Ons het 15 spanne verlede jaar by die Top Schools Chess kompetisie eerste gekom en ons het 18 span vierde. Alexander van der Merwe en Walt Lou het die Weskaap by die SA Winter Games verteenwoordig, waar Alex eerste gekom het in die 118 kategorie en Walt 7de gekom het in die 115 kategorie.
Polroos has also produced an international master as well as a canvas.
I know I wouldn't be good at chess, and I know excellence is everything we had for us.
Ja, maar ons beklemtoon ook veelsidigheid. Ons 2024 hoofseun, Ali Norton, was verkies vir beide cricket en rugby se SA skoolspanne in sy matriekjaar en boonop was hy top 20 op die merittelys.
I know I couldn't achieve so many things.
Nie die punt nie, deelname is die punt. So,
Ons het aanspanne in rugby.
Just like Paul.
man, almal wil deelneem. En nie net in die hoofstroomsporte nie. Ons maak net soveel geraas vir skaak en e-sport as vir die eerste rugby span by die Grays.
Esports, like gaming.
Ons het in 2017 begin met 'n amptelike e-sport span.
At one of the top esports schools. Some of our old boys even played professional leagues.
In 2024, our League of Legends, Valorant and Rocket League teams all won tournaments, and we even refurbished one of our computer labs into an esports center from where we can play our matches. Was it nou selfs the esports junior academy? Dalk het jy jonger boetie wat so lank wil join.
No, sorry. But what games do you guys play?
We have Fortnite, Valorant, Overwatch, League of Legends, Rocket League, Minecraft, Brawlhalla and more.
Was regtig iets vir almal, Josh. What is it? Go for the secret. Time to get your culture.
What are you looking at?
It's a video from last year's Musikfest. I am so excited. This year, we're doing a Musikfest with none other than Elvis Blue.
Who?
He's the guy who sings Lost at sea, are you shining for me? You're my lighthouse, you're my lighthouse. There you go, you got it. Come check this out. This is a video from last year's Musikfest that we did with Spookball.
that's huge. How many boys were there?
Sure, there was probably about 100 boys in the orchestra, and then like 600 boys in the massacre.
Sure, must have been loud.
It was so loud. It just shows you how many people actually take part in culture at the school.
Praat van kultuur. Wat se kultuuraktiwiteite wil jy doen?
I don't think I would do culture. I mostly just play sport. I probably anyways wouldn't have time for culture.
Oh, that's not at all true. We often have first team rugby players in the choir. Do you remember Ben Jason Dixon? He was head of the school. He was also head of the first team rugby, and he was in the choir as well. It's really crazy, huh?
Sien nie veelsidigheid.
Yeah, almost. The Paulus Choir has been named the best boys choir in the whole of South Africa for so many years now. However, this year, we wanted to amp it up a bit, and we decided that we're going to take part in the World Choir Games in Mauritius. You must come audition, man.
I definitely will, but I can't sing that well. Are there any other culture activities I can try?
Yo, what to choose from? We have orchestra, we have art, we have drumline, we have redenaars, and if you like acting, we also have toneel.
Hoeveel? Extra vakke ba. Toekslede. Sit wat pa vra. Die prestasiespaal is te top. Gaagtou. Oor my kop. En my sielpa. Kan ek 'n klein stukkie terugvra? Pa, is ons skool is van speel ek al 2 jaar. As ek kry en weet is geëwenaar. Hoe hoog moet die triksvykind in die lyn son spring? Om pa eer te bring. Maar my sielpa. Kan ek 'n klein stukkie terugvra? Dit was uit een van ons 2 topproduksies wat ons laas jaar gedoen het. Lugasiel en Kantlyn. By die toneelstuk het hy 'n plek onder die top 3 uit 46 produksies by die jaarlikse Pryseberg Logan Toneelfees behaal. Lugasiel het ook 4 in die Weskaap by die Pronkpodium Toneelfees geëindig.
Maybe I could help out behind the scenes.
Moenie bekommer nie. Paulus se toneel het verskeie aspekte. As jy nie noodwendig die plank of 'n warm speel nie, kan jy altyd deel vorm van ons awesome tegniese span. En toneel het ook 'n bemarkingsafdeling. Laas jaar het Kantlyn by die nasionale ATKV tienertoneelfinaal beste bemarking gewen. En as jy nou noodwendig van die verhoog hou nie, kan jy altyd na PRG Productions kyk.
Ek sien ons naam gaan ons vooruit. Ons vervaardig inhoud vir alle visuele media platforms. Ons het fotograwe, videograwe, editors, streamers, commentators en ons uitsaam met toneel by die jaarlikse filmkompetisie.
Film, wat?
Film It. Paul Roos in 2021 'n hoërskoolfilmkompetisie gestig wat deur industrie professioneel beoordeel word. Dis 'n hele beweging om jong filmmakers op te lei. Laas jaar het een van ons eie films beste ondersteunende akteur gewen. En een van ons kinders het 'n plek as 'n ekstra op Suidooster gewen. Nee, Frans.
Ben, you're late for orchestra. I gotta go carry stands now.
What stands?
Music stands. Paulus is a full symphony orchestra consisting of more than 50 players.
That's bigger than I expected.
Oh, it is. We played all the big music productions of Paulus, and this year we even guest artists at the big Cape Town Comic Con on the 1st of May.
Well, what if you don't play any of those?
Well, there's also a rock band for the rockers, a drum line for the drummers, and different ensembles for brass, strings, and saxophones.
Onthou van jou onderhoud met die Semperoerie Musiekfees.
That's right. Save the date, 27th and 28th of August, in the Centrum. Tickets are sold out weeks before the show, so make sure to get them early.
That's our cue. Bye.
Cheers.
Thanks. Simon, what is a center?
Dit is 'n skoolkoerant. Paul Roos is 'n skool met die sterkste journalistieke tradisie in Suid-Afrika. Ons redaksie en fotograme werk heel jaar lank aan verskeie publikasies, die kwartaallikse Semper en dan natuurlik die Paul Roos jaarblad. Dit gaan een van jou kosbaarste besittings in die ou dae word. Hier is sommer jou eerste een.
Daar's 'n swak argument. On what ground?
Dit word 'n strafbare bewys.
You do realize that moral arguments need that, right?
Hang on. They're arguing about an argument.
Ja, dit word debat genoem, of as jy Engels is, debating. Ons het die PRC Forum, die praatkunste betree. Die Romeine het die forum gebruik as 'n plek waar enigiemand kan staan en praat, rede voer en aankondig. As jy kan sien vir toneel, kan jy debat, redenaars, oratory of debating probeer. Soos Ruben nie, hy is verlede jaar in die provinsiale span verkies.
Paul Roos has taken part in a wide variety of different forms of debating, such as moot court, world schools, British parliamentary, Canadian parliamentary, Toastmasters, and so much more. There are also a bunch of oratory competitions for our public speakers. And our partnership with our sponsor, Innis Africa, has enabled us to launch the Masitete, the world's first ever isiXhosa oratory competition, which launched in 2022.
Moyeni monene, ne manene kazi. Wankele kile e Paulus. Apa e Paulus Gymnasium Sidale, Ukupi Swana, Loku Ala en Zanzi Afrika. Loku Teta, Ngesi Kosa, Olubizwa, Ngokuba, Yi Masitete. Masitete means let us talk. Silanga Zelela, Ukupi Swana, Luka, 2025.
Paulus die berechtig leiding in die praatkunste. Gedurende COVID het ons eie debatslief gaan geloods.
Paul Roos also hosts the Boland Debating League, which makes us the center of debating within the region. And besides beating both great teams last year, our first team has found many successes in the different factions of debating. Some examples include our team making third at Profs last year, our first team captain ranking 6th as an individual speaker at Nationals last year, and coming second at an international tournament in Canada. Moreover, we have a bunch of great opportunities for our debaters to rub shoulders with the best lawyers and top judges in South Africa.
In 'n Afrikaanse debat, laaslik by die ATKV voorbereide debatskompetisie, het Paul Roos 3 spanne in die finaal gehaal. Dit is 'n uitstekende prestasie vir een skool om soveel spanne by hierdie groot debatkompetisie te hê. Ons een junior span het selfs 3de plek gekom. En by die Conspiracy finaal het een van ons senior spanne ook 'n 3de plek behaal.
En dan praat ons nie eens van Paul Roos se redenaarspan nie. Ons het jaarliks deel aan 4 nasionale kompetisies, naamlik ATKV, Op die Tong Af, Interskole Redenaars en Podium Pret.
Gaan jy daar skool?
Natuurlijk nie. Ek se redenaar. Stefan Thielen en Ruben de Wit het laas jaar aan die ATKV nasionale finaal deelgeneem. Stefan het 3de plek landwyd behaal en Ruben de Wit het 5de plek behaal in die eerste addisionele taal leer van leerders.
Can you prepare for unprepared speaking?
Werk op tyd, maak wel bereid. Dieter Kok het laas jaar vir maande aan sy talent vir onvoorbereide toesprake gewerk. Hy het toe landwyd 3de by Op die Tong Af redenaarskompetisie behaal.
Stefan Thielen het laas jaar weggeloop met meer trofees as wat hy kan dra. Buite in die ATKV debat het hy ook by die Op die Tong Af redenaarskompetisie 3 kategorieë gewen.
And 2 of those categories were in English.
Check me out. Jacobus, er is so. Behoort Suid-Afrika meer BTW te betaal?
Goeie vraag.
Aan die een kant sal miskien redeneer dat BTW 'n regressiewe belasting is. Dit wil sê dit benader die armes meer as die rykes.
Ja, maar Jacobus, dink jy nie ons kan die geld eerder weer terug in die arme gemeenskappe invloeg nie?
Hoog nie tot op 'n punt Rousseau. Volgens die Landverkurwe is dit op bewys dat BTW-verhogings letterlik teen homself begin werk.
Jacobus, ek weet jy vir dit weet nie, maar daardie punt is nog nooit in die geskiedenis bereik nie.
Jo, hy was moes 'n hengse skop gewees het.
Paul Roos is 'n soccer team too.
Ja, kom ons gaan bys jou. Cheers julle.
Sing to the Lord, to saints of the mighty. Sing praise to the Lord and bless His holy name. The name of the Lord.
Move down the line. Cross. Finish. Oh, unlucky. Close one.
I thought this was the rugby field.
Nee, ons speel rugby by Makotte, langs die pad af. Edges, I think this is yours. This is Josh. Jason.
Why isn't he wearing Puriski?
Our captain, Kieran Swall, also represents the Cape Town Spurs.
And don't forget about Asher Field. He plays for Cape Town City and is even part of the DStv Disney Challenge team. We have 13 teams across all the age groups, and our PRG coaches and players now invest in grassroots football with our PRG Football Academy. Our coach, Emery Peterson, is even an analyst for Banyana Banyana, our national women's team.
Maar as jy net vir die span wil speel, kan jy vars voetie kon speel. Ons maak ons eie spanne en selfs die onderwysers speel saam. Verlede jaar het ons meer as 60 spanne in die liga aangeskryf. Jesus.
I have to go now.
So, where is Makoto?
Stop. Josh, kom dan. Ger, Kwaito, Stoffels, moet ons niet stellen.
We passen jou aan, Josh.
Oké. Oké.
Kom maar vertellen van Ragas. Paul Rus is vernoemd door de eerste sprongrampenkaptein. Die man, Paul Rus.
Paul Rus is also currently the school with the most Springboks, currently with 56 Springboks.
Ons het in 2023 2 rugbyspelers in die wêreldbeker opgeleverd. Hulle was
Steven Kitzel,
Willie Leroux en Darren Willemse.
What about the 2 new Springboks in 2024?
Ah, yes. Edo van der Merwe en Ben Jason Dixon.
Welkom, ons 50ste Springbok rugby. Charlie Kreer. John, ek het al wat af vertel van jou rol hier by Paul Rus.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure and a privilege always to come back to the school. And wow, I see all these parents and kids. It was like yesterday I was sitting here, and every time I come back to this school I get goosebumps, and it's actually emotional for me to stand here and to see the high demand of parents and children wanting to come to the school, and with a couple of thousand applications every year, there's only a couple of hundred spots. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to share something about my time at Paul Rus. So I was here in 1999, probably 25 years ago, and Scott Brits initiated me, and I finished matric in 2003. And 10 years later, we ended up playing together for the Springboks, playing for clubs in England and France, and it was a privilege to travel the world. And today we both chose to come back to this town and live in Stellenbosch. And the school's got so much to offer for any grade 8. If the business is involved, the coaches, the teachers, weekends when I come back to the school watching rugby, there's still some of the teachers that gave me class is still here, and to see that special culture. And it's not about it's about what value can you add to this school, because this school with all the culture and the history has got so much to give to any child. And if it's a well-balanced school, it gives a lot of opportunities, a lot of learning opportunities, and you know what that gives for you for the future and for life. And then when I was standard 9, I was playing 5th, 16 rugby, and I ended up to be out of the 2002-2003 the only Springbok qualifying. I'm not saying you need to apply 5th or 16 to become a Springbok, but the opportunity the school gave me with the coaching and this town and Marty's and life after sport, I ended up going studying overseas and locally. And if your child makes it in this town and you prefer to live in South Africa, which I'm patriotic about South Africa, and I believe Stellenbosch and Cape Town is one of, we've seen it the other day, it's voted the best city in the world. Stellenbosch is one of the best places in the world to live, and that's just maybe my opinion, but I've been fortunate to travel the world. Today I've got 3 kids. I chose to come back to Stellenbosch because I want a future for my children in these schools in this town, and they can go on to university here, and the businesses and the people post that for connections and things like that for the future. It's got so much to offer any child, and I can only just say that I've had a wonderful time here. I was in both reses. My parents actually, and back in those days, obviously it was maybe a little bit easier. I know it's now very difficult, with the schools, but I chose to be and raised in this town, even though my parents was here. So my love for the school, always coming back, giving back, it's an absolute pleasure. Thank you.
Wow.
Ja, maar Boris is presteer op schoolvlak.
Last year, Boris had 4 SA Schools players: Riley Norton, Oliver Reed, Ruben Kiria, and Ati Bure. Also, Samuel Barnos was also part of the SA Under-18 team.
Maar die hoogtepunt vir enige Boris is as hy einde van die jaar teen Grey te speel.
Om net al te wees is alles.
Maar toe, ons moet bakvis.
Soos wat. Stop.
Oh. And I hope to see you next to the field.
Definitely. Thanks.
Haha, nou hierdie is 'n atleet.
Hallo Simeon.
Hey Zak, George, atletiek is regtig 'n spanspoor. Die hele skool gaan ondersteun by Prestige Atletiek Interskole.
Yes, the athletes take part in many athletic meets. In 2024, 12 PRG athletes were selected to represent Boland at athletics, South Africa under 16, under 18, and under 20 track and field national championships in Victoria.
Zak het deel aan hamer gooi. Hy is een van die bestes in die provinsies. Hoe ver kan jy met die hamer gooi?
62 meters.
Really? Wow.
Let me just help you there. Athletics has many disciplines. You should try them all. Maybe you'll be our next star athlete.
Where do you train?
At the Kutsenberg Athletics Stadium. I'm just waiting for Seth.
Great, he can tell you more about hockey.
He's on his way to the Marcus Astro where they train. Oh, he is.
Hey Seth. Good. This is Josh.
Hey, how's it going, buddy?
I'm doing good, thanks. Simeon's just showing me around.
Logan! Well, you've come to the right place, buddy. Paul Roos was the only school to top 3 across all age groups at the Iber Cup. We've got at least 18 teams, and often our C team would play another school's A team because of our depth, which we take pride in.
Last year, we had a total of 47 players selected for provincial teams and 7 for national teams. Our first team won the Iber Cup and ended the season ranked 2nd in South Africa.
Ruben Senzel made the SA Under-21 and SA Men's Outdoor Squad. Christus Swanepoel, Logan Lakay, and Tyler Carter were all selected to represent the SA Under-17 side at a tournament in Malaysia. Logan Lakay got chosen as player of the tournament at the Under-16 IPT, and Ruben Senzel at the Under-18 IPT.
Our head of hockey, Mr. Baker, is currently away with the South African indoor team at the Indoor World Cup.
Jy het gehoor, 18 spanne. Dit wys hoeveel seuns wil deelneem.
And don't forget, Paul Roos Gymnasium and Stellenbosch University have entered into a partnership to grow the already existing Maltese Hockey Astro Complex. There are now 3 international standard AstroTurfs at the complex.
And try everything, especially in grade 8. Now is a good time to discover new talents.
Waar in volgende?
Wat van die tennis of die cricket? Dis net jou gedraai.
Goeie idee, ek oefen.
Nee man, wat maak jy? Kom, laat ek vir jou wys.
Wow.
Pas op, ons wil nie met daardie tipe konsentrasie mors nie. Andries en Nicholas, wat gebeur in golf?
Die PRG golfspan is bevoorreg genoeg om ons tuiste by die pragtige Stellenbosch golfbaan te hou. Ons oefen en speel al ons tuiswedstryde daar.
Ons het verlede jaar die Selborne Golf Festival gewen. Tweede by die Westville Boys High Tournament in Sun City en tweede by SA skole in Woester.
Ons was verlede jaar 4 spelers wat onder 19 IPT spanne verteenwoordig het en Andries Hisse was gekies vir die WP manspan.
Ons was in totaal 12 spelers wat provinsiale spanne verteenwoordig het.
Wow.
PRG is made of gold. Don't you worry, don't you fear. 2025 we are here.
Hey Matthew, good to see you, buddy. Josh, you wonder of all black is forming cricket span?
Well, we've about 16 teams. Last year we had 6 under 14 teams.
See? Your mama.
And excellence, of course. Our first team, under 15 team, and under 14 team had a combined ranking of 7th in the country.
So, all age groups are strong.
Yep. En ons is trots op om elke speler te ontwikkel.
Ons het 'n internasionale standaard binnehuis cricketsentrum met 6 binnehuisnette en wêreldklas tegnologie om tegnieke te vervulling en te bestudeer vir beter afrigting. Dit beteken ons kan vanaf internasionale spanne nooi om met Paul Roos te kom oefen en wedstryde speel.
And our head of cricket, Mr. Dion Boertes, not only coached A.B. de Villiers, Pop du Plessis, and Dewald Brevis when they were in high school.
That's impressive.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Josh.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Zander.
Sien jy, die tennisbaan is net hier langs aan.
Van jy kan tennis speel?
I'm trying out as many things as possible.
Jy sal goed inpas. Ons het 'n baie sterk junior tennisgroep en het laas jaar die onder 15 Stellenbosch hoër tennistoernooi saam met Rennies gewen. Ons eerste tennisspan het ook die 6-vroed Gerrie Berner gewen en vanjaar het ons hierdie toernooi vir die 20ste keer aangebied. Ons tweede span het ook die Boland Landbou Tennisfees gewen.
I've always wanted to try tennis, but all I have at home is this random squash racket.
Squash racket. Why don't you use that for what it's really made for? Squash.
PRG is made of gold. Don't you worry, don't you fear.
They never seem to get tired, do they? Are they training for athletics?
Nee, daar is 'n hardloopmasjien. Hulle raak jou nie. Ek terug na ons squash racket. Ons het 5 spanne, 3 senior en 2 junior. Ons stel die Boland Liga en ons eerste span speel in die Superliga saam al die top WC skole. Henry van Sail, een van ons juniors, het 4de gekom op die nasionale ranglys vir onder 15 en is tegnies onder 14. Hey, check it out. Jy sal vir Henry 'n goal kan gee. Ek sien vir jou op die squashbaan.
Dit was
Oh ja.
jy maar op pad swembad toe.
Nee bro, ons gaan nog oom klim. Ek sê ja, ons gaan swembad.
Are you in the swimming team?
No.
We play water.
Dis regtig van. As jy kan swem, moet jy dit probeer.
Yes, come join us. Last year, our under-19 team made the finals of the Western Province League for the 3rd year in a row, in the first 3 weeks of 2023.
We also had 3 boys that represented South Africa at the SA Champs hosted Argentina.
Our under-14 team won the Jason Murray tournament.
And our first team coach, Paul Marlow, also coaches the Marches men's first team.
I mean, I've done some competitive swimming in primary school. Maybe that's better to start with.
The PRGA team has won the Frank Memo Quali Qualifier for 3 consecutive years. We are still unbeaten against great quality. We had 2 swimmers at team nationals and 10 swimmers at green nationals, where Eric Hitzey obtained 2 golds, 2 silvers, and Andre Luther 1 gold.
What did you get silver for again?
We also had Joshua Hendricks who came 3rd. We had 11 swimmers at Western Cape Shortcourse Champs, where Eric Hitzey has 6 PVP records.
Hey, as jy van water hou, moenie vergeet van branderplank kry nie.
Dude, it's called surfing.
A surfing team too?
Wel, ons het 'n interrace surfkompetisie by Primo Bay. Die surfouens gaan toer ook op soek na waves. Daar's gereeld 'n Suid-Kaap surf toer en die ouens sal 2 keer Bali toe op soek na die perfect wave.
Okay, maar manne, ek dink nie meneer Mala hou van mag nie. Dit is.
So,
You're probably wondering how they all look so fit. Let me show you the high performance center. You're not going to believe this place.
Si vede quasi non siamo sì da un bomba, si vede quasi non siamo sì da un bomba, si vede quasi non siamo sì da un bomba, si vede quasi non siamo sì da un bomba, si vede quasi non siamo sì da un bomba.
are we still on Boris grounds?
Ja, ons staan in die splinternuwe hoë prestasie sentrum wat net in 2023 geopen is.
So it's a fancy new gym.
Nee, dis 'n hoë prestasie sentrum.
Is there even a difference?
Die verskil is 'n gym met oefenmasjiene, gewigte en aerobies klasse. En die doel van die HPC is om fisiese prestasie in enige komponent te verbeter, of dit nou 'n scrum of 'n push-up is.
Ja, Boetie, hierdie is die Planet Fitness hier.
Or Virgin Active.
Yeah, technique comes first, so that the fundamental movements and exercises are correctly performed.
Isn't a push-up just a push-up?
Dis wat ek al gedink het, voordat ek by die PDP begin het.
What does PDP stand for?
It stands for Performance Development Pathway. It's a program to improve your performance by looking at the whole individual. The primary focus is currently physical development.
Dit brou ek uit na voeding, die wetenskap van slaap, verhoudings, leierskap en selfs kognitiewe en psychologiese ontwikkeling.
Sleep? Relationships?
Ja man, het jy al ooit probeer perform op die sportveld as jy voor gaan sleg geslaap het?
Of, laat dit 'n meisie jou gelos het.
Okay, so how do you know what to do? Or do you just decide on yourself?
Nee, daar is 3 gekwalifiseerde sportwetenskaplikes wat die toesig hou, soos Coach Reed. Elke leerder word evalueer en jy het 'n program wat vir jou gaan ontwikkel.
Ons is nooit die betaal.
So, can I come exercise at any time?
Nee, Boetie, die HPC word die hele dag gebruik en daar is skedules vir wanneer jy kan kom oefen. Die PDP-program gebruik ook na periodes om tyd vir leerders in die gimnasium te gee.
So, everyone gets to go?
Ja, Chommy, of jy nou eers span waterpolo speel of geen sport doen, behalwe skaak speel. Die droom is dat alle borrelers fisies gesond en sterk moet wees.
And move correctly.
Hey Stef.
Is Jeroen? Hoorie, het jy gehoor dat die CEO van die Stormers laas jaar was?
En wat het hy gesê?
He's never seen anything like this.
Die gimnasium is blijkbaar die grootste van sy soort in die hele land.
Simon, can you pick that up?
Ek kan. Ek's net nie reg aangetrek nie. Jane kan.
Wait. I thought teenagers weren't allowed to exercise with weights yet.
That's old news. All the new research shows that using weights is needed for the right type of development, as long as you use the correct technique.
So, can I try?
Sure, buddy, but let me take you over here and teach you the basics first. Feet shoulder width apart, back straight, core engaged, slowly down, and squeeze like a loose. Yeah, champ, I think you're in.
Feet shoulders apart,
Yeah.
back straight, core engaged, slowly down, and
En na daai conference boost, dink ek tyd om aan te beweeg.
So, Simon, you haven't said anything about academics yet.
Kom ons gaan na die media sentrum toe, dan bespreek ons 'n bietjie die boeke.
So, this is the library.
Ons gebruik nie daai woord nie. Dis 'n media sentrum. 'n Plek vir rekenaars, boeke, lees, maar ook 'n plek om te ontspan, te leer en te speel. Ek stel voor die virtual reality booth.
It all looks so new.
Dit is circa 2021. Oor slaapie, sy personal individual, altyd meer uitnemend. Ons het net verlede jaar die ligversorgingsprojek geloods om akademiese tyd in die somermaande te bevorder.
Wow, that's a huge painting.
Poetry, een van Suid-Afrika's bekendste kunstenaars, is 'n Porus Allboy. Die skool het ook 'n wonderlike vennootskap met die P.J. Olivier Kunstsentrum op die dorp. Graad 8 en 9 kan daar kuns as 'n buitemuurse aktiwiteit neem en vanaf graad 10 kan 'n kuns of ontwerp as skoolvak neem.
41 studente.
Wat gaan hier aan?
I see you. Excuse me, I'm just quickly helping to gather this data.
What for?
Expo.
What is an expo?
Hy praat van die Eskom Expo vir jong wetenskaplikes. Have you guys figured out how to keep the lights on yet?
Ligte? Allank. Verbeel jouself net. 1300 paar roosters op een moeise trapmeel. Die maroon machine. Dankie manne.
Simeon, Vivian has a brilliant idea for his research project.
Vertel 'n bietjie vir Josh. Hy gaan volgende jaar Expo bedoel.
Wel, elke jaar neem talle paar roosters deel aan die Eskom Expo, 'n uitstalling vir jong wetenskaplikes. In 2023 het Stefan Thielen en Roan van Loggenberg na Beijing toe gereis met hulle taak op kunsmatige intelligensie. Hulle het 'n goudmedalje gewen en het verlede jaar as ek, Wim van die Kerk, gekies om na die buiteland toe te reis met my taak oor die gebruik van laventeolie om die groei van 'n sitrusswamp te verhoed.
So, what are you doing this year?
Wel, vanjaar met ek die verband tussen die kykontvang van die eerste span rugbyspelers in hoogte van 'n staande sprong.
I never knew projects could be so interesting.
Interesting? My friend, science is fascinating. And what's more, Boris has just recently redone all our science classrooms and laboratories for physical science and life science practicals. But now I must be off. Ever more data to gather.
Dankie weer. Leer by Paul Roos gaan selfs verder as ons klaskamers. Aaron, I'm sure Josh here will be interested in last year's matric results.
In the 2024 National Team Certificates, Porus achieved a 93.5% bachelor's pass rate, with 46 learners achieving A aggregates. Furthermore, the class of 2024 achieved 482 subject days, of which 46 were for mathematics and 42 for accounting. There were also 9 learners who achieved an average above 90%. And our Dutch learner, Kiana Meyer, had an average of 92.6%.
That's a ridiculous amount of A's.
Yes, if you want, you can join our wonderful tutor program. Grade 11 and 12 learners who sign up wanting to help juniors are allocated to you to help explain the work. And who knows, maybe when you're in grade 11, you can help return the favor.
Leer by Paul Roos gaan selfs verder as ons grense. Kom ons praat 'n bietjie oor Duits.
Porus ist eine der 3 Passschulen in Südafrika, die Stipendium vom Goethe-Institut in Deutschland erhalten. Unsere Deutschschule schreiben externe Prüfungen, die uns die Gelegenheit geben, nach der Schule in Deutschland zu studieren.
Was ist das?
So, wat ek gesê het was dat Porus is een van slegs 3 passkole in Suid-Afrika wat beurse vanaf die Goethe-Instituut in Duitsland ontvang. Ons Duitsers skryf eksterne eksamens wat ons die geleentheid gee om na skool in Duitsland te gaan swaat. Dit is 'n oop deur in Europa.
Wat word ek van Europa?
Michael, vertel 'n bietjie vir Josh van ons Europese uitdraagprogram.
Paul Roos het 'n gevestigde uitdraagprogram met 3 Europese skole. Mark Instituut Frankryk, Gabriel van Saar Duitsland en Sint Vincent in België. 22 leerders word verkies om na Europa te reis en meer van hulle skoolstelsel en verskeie kulture te leer en speel dan gasheer vir hulle wanneer hulle hier vir ons instellings kom besoek.
I never knew Porus was so connected.
You could say that again.
But more is in one.
Josh, this is big from Jan.
Yeah, just in good faith.
No. It stands for Jesus and me. It's a movement that offers Porus the opportunity to grow, express, and practice their Christian faith. It consists of weekly gatherings in the Garden Kirche during first break. You must come, man. We talk about many things, such as hikes, camps, outreaches, missions, so many. This year, we're doing an outreach to a place called Live Village during the June-July holidays. It is going to be amazing. The main focus of JAM, however, is the discipleship that happens within our 20+ cell groups, where we get together and encourage each other on this walk of obedience.
Want aan die einde van die dag gaan dit oor karakterontwikkeling en menseverhoudings. Daarom het ons ook die Engage-program. David, vertel 'n bietjie van meer.
Josh, kom sit, laat ek jou vertel.
By die engage aande werk ons om die seun se verhouding met sy ouers te versterk en om ook so die seun se karakter te ontwikkel. Our aim is the building and sustaining of a culture of character development where the boy, his teachers, his friends, as well as his parents are all involved.
Want aan die einde van die dag is Porus ook deel van 'n gemeenskap. Van 'n gemeenskap gepraat. Dion, waar is jy op pad?
Never clean project.
Vertel 'n bietjie vir Josh van Societas.
Societas is more than just a collection of projects. It's a testament to your values. During 2025, we're trying to get all the Porusers involved in Societas.
Ons werk ook aan verskeie gemeenskapsprojekte en fondsinsameling. Ons maak die rivier skoon vir die skool tydens Woensdaagmiddag. En ons het laas jaar 1075 kospakkies aan mense wat geraak is deur vloede geskenk. En 450 Kersfeesskoolboxes gegee aan leerders van ons gemeenskap.
Our commitment of community service is part of who we are. Join Societas. Together, we can make a meaningful difference in this world.
Dit was drama het begin. Boys, julle kan ons so aan sing-songs te gaan.
Sing-songs? Is that another choir thing?
Nee, dis ons geesvang, veral vir 'n groot sportgeleentheid. Josh, nou, kan jy PSC gees beleef?